Hi guys, hope you are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to share my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. I did not buy too much, I'll be honest. There were a lot of amazing offers on a lot of brands and categories, but I picked stuff that I really wanted to try and the brands and from the brands that were on really good offers. So I just have these two boxes from Nykaa's Lux store. So I picked products from two brands, MAC and Charlotte Tilbury. So MAC was on my list for a long time and I was waiting for some good offers because I really wanted to pick a concealer, a good concealer, because I only use my concealer, eyebrow product, lipstick and a powder on a daily basis or whenever I'm going out. So I was looking for a good compact, a good concealer, and then there was buy to get one offer on MAC. I couldn't resist and I bought few products from MAC. And then I was always fascinated with Charlotte Tilbury and I really wanted to try her products. So I ended up picking one lipstick and one blush from Charlotte Tilbury because they were on like 15% off. So I picked Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Medium Golden and concealer, 24-hour concealer in the shade NW35. And with this, I got this for free. This is buy two get one. So I got the Powder Kiss lipstick in Burning Love for free and this as a gift with purchase. This is a small strobing cream from MAC. So we'll start with the strobing cream first. So I'm going to apply it all over my face. As you can see, it has added some glow, but it's not too much. Next, I'm moving on to the concealer. I have picked it in the shade NW35. So this is NW35. It is like a salmony concealer. My shade is MC42, but I do not pick the concealer in that shade because it is pretty yellow, and this shade is good if you have little bit of darkness. This shade blends in with my skin really well. I'll show you. So this is 24-hour wear concealer and it is very comfortable if you have dry skin. This will be a really good formula. It's not drying and I generally apply it under my eyes a little bit. I'm going to blend it with my concealer brush. This is pack 234. I recently found it, like rediscovered it. This concealer gives you medium coverage and since it has salmon undertone, it's going to brighten up the area really well. And even from up close, it doesn't even look like you have a concealer on because it's not greasy at all. Can you see how bright this side looks now? That I have concealer on, it looks very bright and it blends very quickly. So now you can see my face looks very even toned. There is no darkness left under my eyes. This is a really good shade if you are of NC42. I'll quickly do my brows and come back. So my brows are done. They look a bit dramatic. Next I'm going to use MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Medium Golden. This is the shade. It looks a bit light in the pan, but this powder is very fine and it has golden undertone. So it is going to brighten up my skin. So I'm going to apply a little bit on my face by dabbing it. Before you guys ask, this brush is from Lottie London. This is their Kabuki brush. I don't think it's available anymore in India. See, this side of my face looks brighter than this because this compact is golden, like yellow tone. Now this powder is not going to give you much coverage. This is like a sheer formula. The next product from MAC is this Powder Kiss lipstick, which we will come back to later. Now I have Charlotte Tilbury's Cheek to Chic blush in the shade Pillow Talk Intense. This is how the packaging looks like. And here is the blush. So this is like a muted mauve, mauvish brown, and it looks really nice and it will look very natural. That's a lot of product. It's very pigmented. As you can see, this blush looks really nice. It is very natural on me. I'm pretty happy that I can apply it anytime. It is a mix of matte. The circle around it is matte and in the center you have this highlighting powder, so you can swirl your brush and apply it on your cheeks. There is not much visible shimmer. One or two specks you can find on your cheeks, but There is nothing too much. And this is my first Charlotte Tilbury purchase. I am very excited about it. The next product is, of course, the Pillow Talk Medium from the same brand. I'm going to apply it right now. Now the lipstick has a matte formula, but it is very comfortable matte. It's not drying matte. So Pillow Talk Medium is more like a My Lips but better color for me. Even though I like my everyday lip colors to be a little darker than this, but I like this color, and I like the formula as well. It is very comfortable, it's non-drying, and it is perfect for every day. The blush is very natural, so is the lip color. I'm going to apply a little bit of the same blush on my eyes as well. And see, it works very beautifully on the eyes as well. So there was an offer going on Charlotte Tilbury products. If you buy products up to a certain value, like if your total value of your cart is above 5,000 or something, you were supposed to get a free gift. And I was pretty excited to receive this lip gloss from Charlotte Tilbury. This is Lip Lux. There's so much. Lip Luster Lux Color Lasting Lip Lacquer. So it's like a tongue twister. This is a full size product, 3.5 ml. This is a pinky nude color for everyday. Very beautiful. I'm going to apply on the top of my lipstick because I think it's going to look really good with this. See, this is a single swipe. If you buy this lip luster individually, you have to pay somewhere around 1,800 or 2,000. So I think I got really good deals on these makeup products. That's why I grabbed them. So these were only 5 products that I ended up picking. I'll also show you a swatch of Burning Love from MAC. I really like the formula of these Powder Kiss lipsticks. Burning Love, my kind of color. Very pretty, and I'm very excited to give this a try. So yeah, this was my mini expensive makeup haul from Nykaa Pink Friday sale. I'm going to link all the products in the description box. If you're interested in buying anything, let me know. If you have any requests, any suggestions for upcoming or future video that I have not shot yet, then leave them in the comments below. I would definitely love to do a video for you all. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.